Hello and welcome again to another episode of the Kia Sorento EX Hybrid refill inverter coolant problem. Alright, so thanks to your comments, I've found the temporary solution to be very effective to clear the screen, and here it goes. So before I get in the car and close the door, I run a systems check and shut the door before the systems check is complete. And it says what? Ready to drive. It's ready to drive. Alright, no more problems. But check this out. I turn it off, door is closed. Alright, let me open the door again and shut it. Refill inverter coolant. Error. Off. Open the door. Turn on the engine. Shut the door. Ready to drive. Huh. What a very, very, very silly error. And this thing also has issues with Apple Play. So I don't even use the Apple Play. According to Kia, they're saying Apple needs to update their software or something that makes it compatible with whatever in Android. So I just use media and Bluetooth, and play music from the phone. And I don't even bother about the map thing because it would go when you need it most. But you can drive for as long as possible, and every time you get in the car, you put your foot on the brake and turn on the engine before you shut the door. So there you have it. Another quick solution without having to pop the hood. Now, if you don't time it properly, you might still get the error. So, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and more content is coming.